Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency of your YouTube channel. This is pretty simple. You have to follow all the steps. But before doing it, I'm requesting to hit that subscribe button and also requesting to hit that like button also. So first of all, you have to visit the website link called studio.youtube.com here. I am typing it again, and then you will see an interface like this, and you will see your channel dashboard. If you are not seeing any dashboard, you have to select it by clicking on here. Then you will see the dashboard of your channel, and then you have to click on settings icon, and here you will see the option to change the currency of your YouTube channel dollar. So that's it, how you can change the currency of your YouTube channel. And I think this video will help you a lot. If you are using a phone or mobile, then you have to turn on the desktop mode in your phone, and then you can follow this step. So that's all about today's video, how you can change the currency of your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox.